Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Google Translate on your phone or browser and selecting the languages you need. This matters because accurate language pairs reduce recognition errors. Once done, tap the microphone icon and grant microphone permission so the app can capture speech. Make sure to choose conversation mode when you expect back-and-forth speech. Conversation mode routes audio to both sides and provides continuous recognition. Speak naturally and slightly slower than normal so the engine can separate words. This initial setup gets you immediate. You now perform live translation by speaking short, clear phrases into the microphone. This helps the model detect word boundaries and context. Once you hear a translated phrase, pause briefly to let the app render text and audio. If the app misidentifies the speaker or language, tap the language tile to force the correct source or swap roles. This corrects context and improves subsequent results. Make sure to reduce background noise and consider headphones for output. Those two steps sharply increase accuracy during longer exchanges. You complete the session by saving useful translations. Tap the copy or favorite icon to store text for later reference. If you need uninterrupted use, download offline language packs before you go. This ensures translation without internet. To end, close conversation mode and clear history if privacy is a concern. If translations are inaccurate, check microphone permissions, set the correct source language manually, and confirm a stable internet connection. Those troubleshooting steps resolve most recognition and rendering issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.